Your house is holding you back. While everybody keeps recycling the same tired tech recommendations, a brand new wave of gadgets just dropped that makes everything from last year look prehistoric. Number 12. Smart Disinfecting Mat. Every step inside becomes a cleaner one with this. This sanitizing doormat does something a regular mat simply cannot. It actively helps clean the bottom of your shoes as you walk in, helping stop germs, bacteria, and outdoor dirt right at the door. Just add your disinfectant solution, and the absorbent mat does the rest with every step. It works anywhere foot traffic matters, from your front door at home to schools, restaurants, and clinics. Simple, practical, and one of those things you don't think you need. Until you have kids, pets, or just care about clean floors. Number 11. Mop car. Getting kids excited about cleaning sounds impossible. Until this little ride-on car enters the room. It lets kids cruise around while a detachable mop underneath quietly wipes the floor at the same time. Somehow, cleaning turns into a game instead of a chore. You can choose between 5 speed settings, and the soft start system keeps the ride smooth and controlled, so it doesn't take off like a tiny rocket across the house. When playtime's over, the built-in pull handle makes it easy to roll around like a suitcase, while the hidden storage space holds whatever you want. It even supports up to 160 pounds. So yes, adults can absolutely steal a turn. Number 10. Compressed sofa set. Getting a sofa through tight hallways and narrow doors usually feels like solving a giant puzzle. This one skips the headache completely. It arrives vacuum-packed in a surprisingly compact box, so carrying it inside is way easier than wrestling with a full-size couch. Once unpacked, it slowly expands into a full sofa, ready for movie nights, naps, or everyday lounging. Need an extra sleeping spot? Just fold it flat, and it turns into a bed for guests or those "I'm not moving from this spot today" kind of afternoons. Number 9. Luna lamp. Your lamp has been boring for too long. This one changes that. The Luna Smart Lamp gives you up to 1,000 lumens of light and can show multiple colors at the same time, filling your room with the mood you want. It also includes a sunrise and sunset effect that gently wakes you up in the morning and helps you wind down at night, working with your natural rhythm. You can control it with your voice using Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant, or set everything from your phone with simple schedules. Just plug it in, connect it, and your lighting setup is instantly upgraded. Number 8. August Smart Door Lock. This smart lock easily upgrades your existing deadbolt, making your home more secure and convenient without changing how your door looks from the outside. It installs in just 10 minutes and fits over most single-cylinder deadbolts. You can lock and unlock the door using your phone or voice assistant, and even share access with friends or family through the app. No more hiding keys under the mat. It auto-locks when the door closes and unlocks when you arrive home. Built-in Wi-Fi lets it connect with Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and more. Number 7. SOBRO Coffee Table. This smart coffee table is perfect for parties or relaxing at home. It features built-in Bluetooth speakers for great sound and LED lights underneath to create the right mood. You can control everything from the tabletop. No app needed. It also works as a charging station, with USB ports and outlets to power your phone, tablet, or laptop. Cords can be neatly stored in the drawers. A built-in fridge drawer keeps drinks cold for days, while 2 extra drawers hold remotes, game controllers, or other small items. The strong glass top is easy to clean and includes touch controls to adjust the fridge temperature, lights, sound, and more. Number 6. Smart Electric Composter. Every dinner ends the same way. Leftover scraps tossed into the trash while odors slowly build up in the kitchen overnight. The HAELYN Smart Electric Composter changes that routine completely by turning food waste into usable fertilizer right on your countertop. Instead of rotting garbage bags, scraps are dried, ground, and processed down into nutrient-rich compost in just a few hours. Different smart modes let you control how aggressively it processes waste, while the odor filter system keeps the kitchen smelling clean the entire time. Even better, the operation stays impressively quiet, so it can run overnight without becoming annoying. Number 5. HAELYN Kitchen Faucet. The kitchen faucet is the most touched tool in your entire home, and Moen just turned it into something you'll actually stop and stare at. The HAELYN isn't just a faucet, it's the first one that tells you exactly what the water is doing before your hand ever touches it. The feature that makes this genuinely jaw-dropping is Color Cue technology. A ribbon of LED light runs along the entire pull-down wand, visible from every angle, and it changes color based on live water temperature. Blue means it's cool, purple means it's warming up, red means it's hot and ready. No more sticking your hand under the stream and getting scalded. No more waiting and guessing. The faucet just tells you, visually, instantly, every single time. Number 4. Automatic folding machine. Let's be real. That clean laundry chair is basically a second wardrobe at this point. This machine steps in right where most of us give up. You clip in a shirt, pants, or towel, and it folds each piece into a neat stack in seconds. A full load gets handled in just a few minutes, so instead of staring at a pile you keep avoiding, it just disappears into order while you're sitting there doing nothing at all. Number 3. AUTUCU electric pot. This little cooker basically turns into your backup kitchen. It sits right on your counter and handles sautéing, frying, boiling, even steaming without needing the big stove at all. You can toss in noodles, make a quick stir fry, steam some veggies, whatever you feel like eating in the moment. And when you're done, it doesn't sit there taking over your space. Just clean it up and slide it into a cabinet like it was never there. Number 2. Droplet by HYDRIFIC water damage destroys homes quietly, racking up thousands in repairs before you ever spot a damp patch on the ceiling. Droplet is the all-in-one sensor engineered to catch leaks before they turn catastrophic. Traditional leak sensors require you to shove a device under every single sink, behind every toilet, beside every appliance. Droplet works from one spot. It clamps directly onto your main water line, zero plumbing, zero pipe cutting, and uses high-frequency ultrasonic sensors combined with AI to listen to your entire home's water flow simultaneously. Number 1. Hands-free hair dryer. This wall-mounted holder grips your hair dryer securely, so you can use both hands to brush, style, or even scroll your phone while it does the work. It rotates a full 360 degrees, letting you direct the airflow exactly where you need it without moving anything around. It sticks firmly to smooth surfaces like tile, glass, or mirrors, and removes cleanly when you're done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, subscribe and take a look at the next videos for more clever finds and handy home ideas. See you in the next one.